What if I told you there's a YouTube niche quietly pulling millions of views with fewer than a dozen uploads, and you don't need to be a 3D artist or show your face to do it? Sounds wild, so I'll prove it today. I'm exposing 3D documentary videos, and I'll show you exactly how to make them with AI, step by step. Look at Cypher, about 221,000 subs, roughly 10 uploads, and hits like a 4.2 million view video 2 months ago and another 1 million view video 5 months back. They are making around $4,000 per month. Take a look at another channel called Atrium. They have around 219,000 subs with only 5 uploads, nearly every video over 1 million views, and making around $8,000 per month. And finally, Imperial, with 392,000 subs, 25 uploads, multiple million view hits, around $3,000 per month in estimates. I've been analyzing this niche with my team for a month. And here's the truth most people miss. You don't need to model 3D from scratch. Some of these channels in this niche blend AI-generated 3D scenes with real news/archive footage. Then wrap it in a gripping story, and I'll show you how to do that. Want the exact prompts? Comment 3D doc and I'll drop them in the next video. I'll break it into 6 simple steps. Find a viral-worthy story, write a cinematic script, generate voiceover, create 3D images, animate into video, edit for retention. Step 1. Find the story. The best documentaries start with curiosity and stakes. Disasters, heists, hidden histories, geopolitical what really happened, or a fast-rising trending topic. Open ChatGPT and prime it with context so it understands the niche style. Paste in channel links you're studying, then use this prompt. Then ask for 10 viral ideas based on those patterns. For this tutorial, I'm picking the deadly engineering flaw that sank a $2 billion project. That's our topic. Step 2. Write the script. Now we turn the topic into a cinematic, binge-worthy script. I've built a prompt that reliably returns high-retention docs. The prompt reads, write a full, cinematic YouTube documentary script in the style of popular storytelling channels like Atrium Explores, Cypher HD, and Fern TV. The topic is the deadly engineering flaw that sank a $2 billion project. The script should be written for an audience interested in history, technology, mysteries, or cautionary tales, and should be structured for maximum viewer retention. Paste your topic, generate, then lightly edit for your voice. Keep short sentences, frequent reveals, and time-stamped beats every 30 to 60 seconds. If this is helpful, like and subscribe. This tells me to keep dropping my exact prompts and templates. Step 3. Voice generation. For narration, use 11 Labs. In Voice Library, filter by language, pick English, and then head to Style, pick Narrative Story. Pick a voice you like. I'm picking John for the purpose of this tutorial, and add to my voices, so I'll go to my Voice tab. We're going to go into our ChatGPT where the script is. We're going to copy our script and paste it into 11 Labs. Since this is a demo, I'm only going to copy Act 1 of the script on 11 Labs. I'll click on Use Voice and paste the script that we copy from ChatGPT onto 11 Labs. As you can see, the free version of 11 Labs gives you 10,000 credits per month. I'll make some edits, and then I will click Generate Speech. On the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to download the voice generation. So now my voice generation is done. Step 4. Create 3D images. Here's the fun part. We'll convert your script into cinematic scene prompts and render 16:9 images. We will use this prompt that reads, I want you to act as a 3D cinematic scene designer and visual storyteller. Based on the script paragraph I provide, generate 10 unique prompts for AI image generation tools. Each prompt should describe a realistic 3D rendered scene that feels like a frozen frame from a high-budget animated thriller or documentary, and paste it into ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT where we have our script. I'm going to instruct it to give me a prompt for the 3D images that we will create for each scene. Again, for this tutorial, we will just be focusing on Act 1. After ChatGPT has given you prompts, it is up to you whether if you want to edit these prompts to your liking or use the one that ChatGPT gave out to you. Now, I'll be showing you how to change these prompts into images by using AI tools. I'll show you a free and a paid version. First, let's go to the free AI tool. We would be using ChatGPT. We are going to go into our prompt 2, which I'll provide for you in a description down below. You copy that and paste it into our ChatGPT. In the prompt where it says insert script paragraph, you want to insert one paragraph at a time for the prompt to give you 10 distinct visual prompts. As you can see, we have Act 1's prompts that we're going to turn into images. So then we copy and paste it into ChatGPT and have it generate the image in 16:9 aspect ratio. For the paid version, I use Vadoo AI. Now open Vadoo AI image. Choose the model, Flux, or your preferred 3D model. Set the aspect ratio, 16:9, 1920x1080. For quality, choose high. We're going to use the prompt from ChatGPT to also generate images. You can see the images that Vadoo AI creates, and they look good as well too. But for right now, we're going to use the images that we created on ChatGPT. Step 5. Animate images into video. Now we are turned stills into moving shots. In Vadoo AI, go to AI Video. Pick a mode that accepts prompts plus images. For example, LTX, long video from prompts and images. Upload your frames and set durations. Regenerate any shot that feels too flat or too gamey. You're aiming for cinematic depth and readable action. Step 6. Edit for retention. Drop your voiceover and visuals into CapCut or your editor of choice. Here's the quick flow. Watch once at 1.25 times speed. Trim anything that drags. Aim for a new visual beat every 4 to 7 seconds. If this walkthrough gave you value, hit like. It genuinely helps the channel and tells me to keep making deep dive tutorials like this. That's the full pipeline. Research a curiosity trigger story. Generate a cinematic script. Voice it with 11 labs. Render 3D scenes. Animate in Vadoo AI. Edit for retention in CapCut. All the prompts and tools are linked in the description so you can start today. Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Start creating. Beat the curve. Until the next time.